Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Abhilasha. Naveen Varshacha Hardik Shubhecha. I hope I said it right. Today is Gudi Padwa and I am transforming myself into Kashi Bai from Bajirao Mastani. Yes, that is Priyanka Chopra's look. It's a very subtle glam look and the jewelry adds the glam factor to it. So why don't we start with this glamorous look? I am using the Benefit pens in 4.5 and you need to have your eyebrows done very well. I'm using the NARS Corrector to correct my eyelids right here and to even tone the base of my eyelid. Because the eyeshadow we are using is very natural skin tone, you need to have your eyelids in an even skin tone color. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder to set my concealer on the eyelid. This is a MAC Paint Pot in Groundwork. It's a very beautiful earthy color and I'm going to place it all over my eyelid strategically by dabbing it onto my eyelids. This is a naked palette and I'm going to use this color to blend out the paint pot. I'm going to just dab it on very nicely, very strategically, and then blend it at the same time with my blending brush. This step just helps you even tone the eyeshadow at the same time while you're applying it. So you apply it and you blend it. You can use this technique in every application that you do. I'm going to use this color as a transition shade and blend it all into each other. I love doing eye makeup first, then the skin makeup because I do not like the fallouts that happen on my skin. You see this shade here? I'm going to just create a black shadow line because there is no hard line in this look. I'm going to create a black shadow line with any black eyeshadow that you have and slightly lift the eyes. The trick here is to just create a very fine shadow line. And the look is coming into play. I'm going to take the eyelashes and I'm going to take the front part of the eyelash and cut off the back part and use this part to create that lifted effect. I love creating these eyes. I'm going to use a pen liner to just hide the eyelash line. Just the right amount of eyelash and it looks beautiful. This is Air Volume Mascara by Maybelline. Please apply this generously because Kashi Bai had long lashes. I don't know how they did it at that time, but they did it so well. But now I'm going to go ahead and clean the under eye with any fallouts. This is a wet wipe. You can take any wet wipe that suits your skin. I'm using an Eyelashes serum. In this look, the skin needs to be naturally glowing for the foundation to be lighter. It's a very natural glam look. This is a Glam Glow Moisturizer. You'll see how it just enhances my skin and adds that glow that is needed. Make sure you blend it well into the skin and it's nicely moisturized. This is NARS Liquid Blush in Orgasm. It's a very beautiful pink color. And I'm going to use it under my foundation so that it is naturally flushed. I'm using the NARS Corrector to correct all the dark spots because we need a very even base. We need to hide even the little of the flaw that you have on your face. The importance of this look is the beautiful skin. So make sure you cover every little spot that you have on your face. This is a Orange Corrector by NARS in color Biscuit. After I blended that out, I'm going to use this beautiful Fenty Tinted Moisturizer. Yes, I'm not using a foundation. I'm using a tinted moisturizer. And I'm going to dab it on my skin and use a wet sponge to blend it all over the face. This is a no makeup base. It is very flawless. It is very beautiful. It's very subtle. With Indian jewelry and Indian clothes, makeup needs to be subtle or everything loud does not go well. That's my personal take on it, but that's how I like it, my clients like it, and I teach that way. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury powder in medium, and I'm going to set my face. This is a matte finish look, so we will not have anything external to highlight our face. Everything is on our skin. Now I'm going to take the YSL concealer in shade 5. And just in the inner corner and the outer corner, I'm going to place this concealer. You see the lifted effect that happens by placing it that way. This is just the correct and the right amount that you need in this look. This is a wet sponge. I use the same wet sponge to take care of the foundation and the concealer. This look does not demand any contouring. So we are going to just use the concealer and enhance our features. Make sure to blend well, dab well, and have an even base. This is the Anastasia blush. I'm going to take this pink color and make sure to dab off the extra. Because we will not be contouring our face, I'm going to place the blush in an upward motion so it gives the illusion of contouring. Very lightly dab it on the skin. Now I'm going to take a lip liner by Chambord in pink color. You can take any pink color of your choice. And this is a lip liner. It's a very, very beautiful shade. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty lipstick. It's the same family of a little darker pink. I love how the look comes around. It is so beautiful, so subtle. I'm going to take a tissue paper, take off the extra lipstick that is there. Take the same blush. This is a trick I love doing. And dab down my lipstick with the blush. So you have that matte finish and your face just blends into each other. This is Kashi Bai. And now we're going to do the finishing touches. We're going to take the same shadow color and go under the eye. Conceal the under eye, then we dab it with powder, the eyelash curler. And the most important step comes now. We're going to take the kohl pencil 24x7 by Urban Decay and we're going to tight line. Because we don't have any kajal, this step is extremely important. Yeah, what do you think? And there it is, guys. The jewelry, the flowers, everything so well settled with that face. I love this look. I love the Bajirao Mastani movie. I hope you like this look. It's a very subtle glam. You can not do the jewelry and just do the lovely makeup, the hair, the earring. Also beautiful. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like and share if you see. And I'm going to see you next Tuesday with another amazing tutorial. Until then, take care. Happy Gudi Padwa. And have a lovely week ahead. Until next week. Bye.